Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tina's Hideaway. Man, it's been cold outside. And when it's cold, what better time to have chili? And for today, I'm going to show you guys a recipe that my family loves. And you read it right, pizza chili. So let's get started. So for starters, I don't like doing dishes, so we're going to put a bag liner in our slow cooker. Get that together. And we start out with a base of diced tomatoes. Now my wife and I, we can our own tomatoes, we can our own pizza sauce, we do everything out of the garden. So if you don't have canned tomatoes, you can go to the store, and this is the equivalent of a large can of petite sliced. We'll get these in there. And there's nothing hard about this recipe. This is easy to do. Chopped onions. This is one whole large onion. Don't matter your preference, it doesn't matter. One whole green pepper, chopped up. Once again, if you don't like green peppers, you don't need to put them in there. And now, I bought a package of pepperoni. And what I do, just to make them a little easier to eat, I quarter them up, make them more bite-sized. Throw that in. And we also like mushrooms. So we buy just a normal size can, pieces and stems, something similar to what you would see on a regular pizza. Of course, drain it, you don't want all that juice in there. And now, like I said earlier, we can our own stuff. We can our own pizza sauce. This is a 1-quart can, or jar, equivalent to 2 jars of pizza sauce that you'd buy in the grocery store. Obviously, our sauce is thick. Now the other ingredient, I put 3 pounds of Italian seasoned sausage in. This is also, it's a preference of mine. We all like it, so we'll put that in. Also, this is my wife's very own Italian seasoning that she makes out of the herbs. But you can go to the grocery store, and I don't even know what size container this is. The large size, I guess you would say. And I would use a half container of this from the grocery store. Dump that in. And now we mix it all together. Oh, I wish you guys could smell the seasonings. I can't wait to eat this. And now, I put our slow cooker on low, cover it up, and every hour or so, mix it up, and it's just that simple. Sometimes I make it after work. I'll crank our slow cooker up on high, and in 3 hours, 4 hours, it's hot enough you can eat it. So it's like any other pizza, whatever your preference is. If you don't like pepperoni, if you don't like Italian sausage, you might like green olives. You might like black olives. Whatever you like on pizza, you can throw it in. It's that simple. When it's done, we serve it in bowls, and we just take shredded mozzarella, sprinkle it over the top, and serve it that way. I'll put the whole recipe down in the description for everybody. And I hope you liked this video. And please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.